This is Ortho Home Defense Fly Bait Decal test. The decal has been up for a few days. Let's see if it's still active. There is a fly trapped in there. Yes, animals will be harmed in the testing of this product. Do you call a fly an animal? I don't know. Oh, I think he's eating it. He just walked onto it. And we're starting the timer now. Okay. Let's see what happens. As a matter of fact, do you think we should try to take it off and see what happens? No, let's leave it on. Okay, I think he took the bait. Oh.
Is he dead? Is he dead? Is he dead?
I don't know yet. It's only been 20 seconds. It says that they will feel the effects in less than 60 seconds. Wait, is he? Wait. No
Call this
way.
the fly seizure.
That's nuts.
How fast? Why is he going like that?
That took less than 40 seconds to take effect.
Why is he moving like that?
It's because the yucky bug is now dead.